Hello, you are looking at a 2005 Pontiac Montana SV6 van. This one has 151,000 miles and it is offered by Park Motors in Machesney Park, Illinois. That's our phone number, 877-2277. Of course, area code 815. And you can always contact me, Thurston, on my cell at 608-214-6129. Now I wanted to go around this van. It has been inspected. It's ready to go. We fixed a few minor things on it. Van came to us in nice shape. These vans, it's got 151,000, but it'll go, you know, another 100 to 150,000 with good maintenance, regular oil changes, that kind of thing. Want to go around it so you can see the van's in good shape. It has no odor of cigarette smoke. You can see the tires are in good shape. Gonna go on the inside so you can see it's in good shape. I mean, no odors. And folks, it does have a DVD player, and I tested it. It does work. And that's where it's at. It's good for the second row. That's where you put it. It's got the second row captain's chairs. It's got a space to pass through there. And this seat folds up so you can access it this way too. And there's a third row seating, room for 3. So you've got a van with 7 passenger seating. And going around it, it's decent shape. It's got nicks, scratches. This trim is slightly chingered there, but tires are in good shape all the way around. You can see you got plenty of tires tread there, and on the outside it's in good shape too. And it is the SV6, which is an upgraded version. Some scratches and whatever there, big deal. And folks, in the back you have this compartment where you can store things in. This whole piece comes out. If you don't like it, you can remove it. It's got the backup sensors. Folks, I've driven this van. I've probably put 300 miles on it. It runs out beautifully. It's a nice van. It's ready to go, folks. Got a few little minor scratches right there. And now coming on to the inside. Right here, this piece there should stay up like that, but it doesn't. Big deal. The seat works fine. And was a little torn, no big deal. Put a seat cover on it and you're in good shape. And I'm going to go ahead and start it up. It starts every time, runs down the road beautifully. This van will get 24-25 miles per gallon. And there's your mileage. 151, 174. Got a CD player, AM, FM radio, traction control, front and rear air conditioning. Got the Onstar right there. Got the buttons for the remote right there. The dual lighted vanity mirror. Don't want to see me. And everything seems to work. There's no surprises with this van. If you're looking for a good, reliable van, this would be a good one for you. And again, folks, I want to thank you for viewing our video. If you have any questions, feel free to call me anytime. My name is Thurston. 608-214-6129 is my cell. Once again, 608-214-6129. Wanted to thank you very much. Y hablo español si necesitas una persona que habla español. Llámame, por favor. 608-214-6129. Thank you very much. And please give me a call. Have a great day.